In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fetch the day name from a date in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly handy when you're managing schedules, logs, or any data where knowing the specific day of the week is useful. I'll walk you through each step to ensure the process is straightforward and easy to follow. So let's dive right in. First, open up your Google Sheets and make sure you have a column with the dates you want to work with. Once you have your sheet set, begin by selecting the range of cells from B1 to B15. This will allow us to format these cells specifically to show the day name based on each corresponding date we'll be referencing. After selecting your cells, navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Format menu. This is where you'll adjust the settings of the selected cells. Once you're within the Format menu, hover over Number. This will further expand into various numerical formatting options you can apply. Now, look for and click on Custom Date and Time. This brings up a window where you can specify exactly how you want the dates to appear. Here, select a format that displays only the name of the day. By choosing this option, each date you reference will show its corresponding day name, which is precisely what we're aiming for. Once you've chosen the day name format, hit Apply to make these changes active. Now, the selected range is set to display only the name of the day when we input our data. Next, head to cell B1 and click on it. This is where you'll begin utilizing your formula. Type in A1 and hit Enter. What this does is it pulls in the date from cell A1, and thanks to the custom formatting we set, it will display the day's name instead of the date. To apply this same logic to the rest of your selected range, use the autofill feature. Simply position your cursor at the bottom right corner of the cell where you typed the formula. When you see the small blue square, click and drag it down to fill the formula in the cells below. This action will extend the formula down through B15, referencing each corresponding date from column A and displaying their day names. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to extract and display the day names from any date you have in Google Sheets. Whether you're planning your week or reviewing historical data points, this technique can make handling dates much more informative and effective. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.